everyone, welcome to NanoELearn and back to manual testing video series. In today's video, I'll talk about what is testbed and its configuration, followed by design considerations, and finally I will end the discussion by discussing about the challenges in setting up the testbed. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For complete information about the testbed, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. What is testbed in manual testing? It is an environment that is created specifically for the purpose of testing a software solution. It consists of specific hardware, software, the product under test, also operating system, network configuration, other system software and application software. What is testbed configuration? It is a combination of hardware and software environment on which the test will be executed. It includes the hardware and software configuration, operating system settings, the test terminals, and others. What are the design considerations that need to be considered for setting up the testbed? First thing is, one need to verify if the testbed needs storing any backup. The network configuration that need to be tested. Also, the network configuration need to be tested to verify that it fulfills the design needs of the testing. It determines the components required to fulfill the testbed requirements such as operating system, database, browsers, external devices, etc. Finally, the study of number of licenses required by the test team is to be carried out. Now let us discuss about the challenges that are faced in setting up the testbed. The first one being setting up the testbed at a remote location. The testbed could be at various locations, that is, being the testing of an application may not take place at a centralized location. It is often seen that in a diverse environment, in the current day situation, we see that the business are spreading out at different locations. Hence, the need to work coherently from a distant location becomes the need of the hour. It is very crucial to set up a centralized environment to work from different distinct locations. The next challenge being complex test configuration. The test configuration takes into account all the components or the artifacts which are required for conducting the test for a system, includes human skills in terms of technical knowledge is very important. Employing the right people at the right place is what it really matters to configure an apt test configuration. The next reason being collaboration among the teams. We often see that the project teams part of software testing consists of developers, QA team, business analysts who from the core team work on a software development project. Thus, accumulating the resources in a centralized location is a crucial way to cut down the cost, time, and the overall effort required for completing the project objectives. And the last challenge being it is time consuming. The test case implementations may change as it requires diverse test configurations, availability of different technologies which are needed to be applied to the current testing. Also, the complexity lies in accumulating different aspects together as they must follow a consistent approach. A typical testbed configuration for a web-based application includes the web server can be IIS or Apache, database can be MS SQL or Oracle, operating system can be Windows or Linux, the browser can be IE or Chrome or Firefox, Java version could be version number 10. That's all for today's video. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.